In this video, I will show you how to add and set up multiple web links to promote it in Instagram. So let's get started. Once we open Instagram app on our phone, we need to click the profile image in the bottom of the screen. Next, in this screen, we need to edit Instagram profile button. And again, on this screen, we need to click links option. Here, we can add external links like our website, or web store, YouTube channel link, as well as our Facebook profile link. First, we can click the external link option here, and in this screen, we can add our website link and save it. We can add more than one web link here. We can add our web shop, or even our YouTube channel link, to promote it here. You can see all the links we add in Instagram. Anyone visiting our Instagram will see all the links in the profile section of our account. I am sure this video tutorial will be helpful to you. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like, share and comment on my video, and do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications to get updates when we add new content.